Okay, so welcome to this next video in the series on the N-Series Infinity unit. And what we're talking about in this segment is fluing options. Now with the N-Series, there are lots of new fluing options and configurations you can utilise, and we've got lots of information online that enables you to find out about that. Basically it boils down into two. First of all is a new concentric flue. So a concentric flue, same as we previously had for the EF models in terms of style, but very different in terms of how it's manufactured and the materials it utilises. So as we looked at in some of the earlier videos, we said that with the N-Series model, obviously being a high efficiency unit and high in condensing, and we're really robbing the flue gas of all of that heat and temperature, that allows us to get away with, if you like, or engineer a solution where we're using plastic predominantly in the flue. So the new flue that we will offer for the unit basically is a plastic flue. And it comes with an adapter, which is this, so you can see the outer is plastic and the inner is plastic. That simply pops onto the internal unit, and that then takes us down from the internal unit size down to the new flue size. And what we've got here is the new flue. So it's a plastic outer for the air intake and a plastic inner for the flue gases to obviously exit to the atmosphere, and that's the new fluing type. Now this is only able to be used on the N-Series unit. Advantages are with this flue and the N-Series, you can run, if it's a straight run, 20 meters of flue. Obviously for every bend you put in, that flue length reduces, and that information is freely available online, so you can work out your fluing requirements quite easily there. But yeah, up to 20 meters, so obviously that's quite an increase in the older unit. Second thing is it's much lighter and it costs less because it's smaller and it's made out of plastic. It's less costly. Okay, so with the old flue system then, which we had for the EF models, this is able to be utilised on the N-Series if you want to do so. If you utilise this flue, then you can run a flue length in a straight run of up to 40 metres, which is pretty far. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, obviously if you want to run a really long flue, clearly. But disadvantages are, well, it costs more money. This more flue will be more expensive than the new flue system. It's also heavier, and really and truthfully, most installations, a 20 metre flue run is probably going to be more than adequate. So you can use this if you really have to, and we do have details on this, but it's not going to be your default go-to flue option for the N-Series. That will be the new plastic flue, which is going to get you through most of the jobs you're going to want to do. Okay, so the important thing to note then is this new flue, this plastic flue, is only able to be used with the N-Series appliance. You cannot, and I repeat, cannot retrofit this to an older model, an HD or an EF model, right? It cannot go on that model. It only is able to be used on the N-Series appliance. Okay, so if we're clear, all good. The other option we've got is a common header system. So this is all new, all plastic, and it enables you to put a bank of infinities together and run a common header style flue on those systems. And then obviously there's details on the screen now showing about how that looks, etc, etc. So hopefully that's a useful insight into the fluing options on the N-Series. More details online and more information is available. Thank you very much.